Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Tell them to send it. Oh, and there's fire! Big flash. Now, it might have been just flame out of the exhaust. Give them a big round of applause, everybody! He's out of the car, they're checking it. Nope, there is some fire underneath the car. Fire safety, give him a big round of applause. He pulls the power button, they get this thing off. Fire safety. Oh, hell yeah, he sent it. Hell yeah. Still got, looks like some fluid, it looks like fuel or something dripping out of the bottom of it. We got it. Of course, we're gonna have another mess to clean up, but that's okay. I'm glad this car is okay. Everybody, let's hear it for the rear-wheel drive Civic. Another really nice car.